Okay, so inside of the kit, we have our treasure chest. We also have our digger. We have a brush. And we have a magnifying glass. So first step is to prepare our workstation. So we are going to make sure that we've got a nice clean area, which we'll use right here. Okay, so it says the specimens are buried inside the digging brick. Dig into the brick with the tools provided. If the digging brick is too hard, soften it by adding some water. So we are going to get it opened. Ryan, you want to hold it up?
I can open it.
Okay. While you're doing that, I'm going to look at this little guide that we have right here that tells us all about the treasure. So look at our treasure map, Ryan. It says right here, we are in the United States, but there's treasure here in Mexico and there's treasure over here. So it says the gold doubloons were made or minted in the Americas, beginning in Mexico in 1675 and continuing well into the 1800s. Different stories are told about how some gold coins came to be called doubloons. All agree that the name comes from the Spanish doblon, meaning double. Some say that it referred to the one escudo gold coin, which had twice the value of the silver peso. Others claim that it described the 2 escudo coin, which was double the value of a single gold escudo. Okay, so we finished reading all about the coin, and now we are ready to dig. This kit is super cute. It is like a replica of like a pirate's treasure chest in a sense, and obviously it's going to keep your little one super, super busy. It's for 8 and up, but you know, he's skilled enough and he's got parent supervision. All right, let's get to digging. All right, so Ryan has a cup of water, which we'll use to wetten up the treasure chest to make it a bit softer. We don't need the brush part yet. You're supposed to be digging. There you go.
I see something.
You found something?
Look!
Oh, you already got the coin. Oh my goodness. Do you need to make it softer? Here, let mommy help. We got a coin. Okay.
So,
Oh, we got a coin.
got money.
Now he's got his little bank. All right, so we found one and there's one more we gotta find. We're looking for the second coin now. We had to add a towel because this little box got penetrated with lots and lots of water and it ended up breaking.
Look at this one. There's 1, 2, 3.
Well, there's only 2 coins in there, Ryan.
No, there's 1, 2, 3.
Those aren't.
That's what?
That's the dirt. That's this part.
That's the gold.
It's a pyrite specimen. Look. It's one of these. There's 3 pyrite specimens and 2 coins. So what you're seeing is the pyrite specimen. Keep going though. All right, I think we got our second coin. Ryan's gonna dig it out for us. Look, there you go.
That's another.
No, that's just where it was sitting. There's only 2. So you got 2 gold doubloon coins. All right, we found 2 of the pyrite specimens, and now we have to find 1 more.
So, let's see.